Rain or shine, game plan is to play Fajardo on ball defense kaso hindi naging successful sa first possession and for sure in-anticipate naman to ng SMB. And Gabe Norwood scored the first basket na sinagot naman ni Chris Ross sa kabilang banda from 3-point distance galing sa post play ni Junmar Fajardo. Gabe is playing good defense on both right kaso malakas na talaga lalo kapag dilala niya si Gabe down low and no time to recover. Pero may mga stop si Gabe sa mga unang possession and actually decent defender pa rin ngayon si Gabe Norwood with his age. Maaasahan mo pa rin talaga. And this one, may green light talaga lahat dito sa Rain or Shine. Ang laki din ng leap ni Clarito playing for Coach Cheng. Ang kaso lang, ito yung maganda kay both right ng SMB. Hindi siya selfish, he creates and locates Junmar. And ganun din naman for Junmar kapag sumama sa kanya sa perimeter, si both right naman yung pupunta ng paint dahil sa size mismatch. May sequence lang dito na Rain or Shine wanted to exchange transition points sa SMB and it didn't work well. Kaya buti naman, nag-settle down sila with Karakut hitting a 3-point shot. Kaso may sagot naman ang SMB from Chris Ross. Junmar showing us na he can hit this one na magpapakonfuse sa Rain or Shine. Nakasag yung defense sa kanya. Kaya hindi niya rin madrop yung bola kay both right. So tinira niya na lang sa labas. Bang! Long tunga lang. But still, it can change the defensive approach ng Rain or Shine. And ito na ang inaantay natin for Rain or Shine, Kit Datu. And dahil sa drive ni Treadwell, na force na mag-antay si Benny for the help. And yung corner is wide open for the Tawas 3-point shot. Benny both right, showing us his outside mastery. Nafo-force talagang lumabas yung dapat sana mag-help na lang kay Junmar. And ito yung connection ng dalawa. Both right is from the outside and ang maganda sa kanya, he can create and magkakaroon ng easy basket si Junmar. And for Rain or Shine, ganito sana yung gawin nila palagi. Give Treadwell the ball if si Junmar yung nasa harap niya kasi more likely may foul and kaya niya naman. Kaso for SMB, si Benny both right, wala mahirap talaga kapag nag-decide siyang tumira sa labas. Basta magkaroon lang ng space, birada na. Tapos may Marshall Lassiter pa na another weapon sa outside. But kudos to Rain or Shine for hanging around. Andre Karakut, sinagat niya yung tres plus may kumpiyansa na hitting a transition 3-pointer. Bang! And then yung defense, nakatingin sa kanya. And then Sebelga open to tie this ball game 67 all sa halftime. I don't know why Rain or Shine leaves both right open. Dito nagsimula yung explosion ng SMB, yung lumayo na sila. Pag may nag-drive sana, hinayaan na lang, antayin na lang yung inside defense. With that, grabe yung space ni Benny for the 3-point shot. Mainit na si both right, sinamahan pa ng explosion ni Terence Romeo sa third quarter and they scored more than 100. May fight back pa sana yung Rain or Shine sa endgame kaso masyado nang malaki yung napundar ng SMB for letting them to score 42 points in one quarter. GG, see you sa Philippine Cup Rain or Shine. PBA playoffs na. Naghahanap ka ba kung saan ka tataya? Dito ka na sa Mafabet. Mataas ang odds, self-cash in and cash out gamit ang iyong GCash or Paymaya. Times 1 lang din ang turnover. Nasa comment section ng link, just gamble responsibly.